PI there. What the heck? Okay then. The PI and the lantern have apparently switched spaces? See if we get the up chime. That is wacky. Why did they swap the lantern and the position indicator? I don't even understand what the purpose of that is. Interesting. So the building is shaped like a gigantic Y. Interesting. Very interesting. You hear that one going down. Bingo 2025. B-I-N-G-O. Oh boy, this might be a minute. Let's take a look, a little peek. I shouldn't have gotten out. I definitely made myself wait a bunch. Let's see here. Questions. This is a condo building, I guess. Let's look at the stairway. Oh, weird. That door has a kick plate on it, but none of the other doors do. This is strange. And then also there's just these random double doors that lead into the hall. Oh my, we are waiting a long time for these. I really should not have gotten out. Here we go. We got the one on the right, or the left. This has the weird layout too. What on earth? I don't understand this. Is there a capacity? Whoop. Oh, it's made by International Elevator. International Elevator Modernized these. 2,500 pounds is the capacity. Oh man, they could have made it nice and red if they flipped them over. Got the rare color changing pads. Let's see this. That is weird. That is wacky. Anyway. That'll be it.